हेलो एंड वेलकम टू बॉलीवुड वाला। आई एम सोनू। दोस्तों, मैंने अभी अभी का पय रणसिंगम नाम का तमिल फिल्म देखा है जी प्लेक्स पर। यह फिल्म में मुख्य भूमिका में है विजय सेतुपति एंड ऐश्वर्या राजेश। बट लेट मी टेल यू व्हाट, दिस इज नॉट एग्जैक्टली अ विजय सेतुपति फिल्म. This is more of an Aishwarya Rajesh film, and the way Aishwarya has performed in this film, her performance will drill a hole into your chest, reach the deepest crevices of your heart, and tug at your heartstrings. That is what her performance will do in Kaapai Ranasingam. It is extremely impactful. She has emoted brilliantly, she has spoken those dialogues brilliantly. It's a very, very impactful, almost an award winning performance. I really loved Aishwarya Rajesh's performance in this film. She was bloody brilliant. Vijay Sethupathi was also equally nice, but like I said, Aishwarya Rajesh carries this film on her shoulders, brilliantly well done, very nice to watch. Now, if I talk about the film का कहानी है about this struggle of a poor wife from a village in Tamil Nadu, her struggle to bring back the dead body of her husband from Dubai. उनका हस्बैंड गल्फ चले गए थे काम के लिए, वहाँ पर उनका मृत्यु हो जाता है। अब एक कवर अप चल रहा है उनके मृत्यु को लेके। पहले वाइफ को बताया जाता है कि उनका हस्बैंड वहाँ पे कोई राइट्स में मरा था, और उसके बाद पता चलता है कि राइट्स तो हुआ नहीं था, कुछ और रीज़न था। तो कंपनी, ऑयल कंपनी जहाँ पर उनका हस्बैंड काम करता था, तो वो ऑयल कंपनी कवर अप करने की कोशिश कर रहा है। तो एक कवर अप के चक्कर में बॉडी वापस आया ही नहीं है। And 10 months have passed. She is running from pillar to post, but she is not able to get back the dead body of her husband. The repatriation of the dead body is just not happening. अब क्या difficulties this poor wife faces? Number one, she doesn't have any certificate to prove that she was married to this man. तो विदाउट अ मैरिड सर्टिफिकेट डेड बॉडी इनको देंगे कैसे? और दूसरी बात, नो वन इज इवन विलिंग टू हेल्प हर. She goes to bureaucrats, she goes to ministers, she even approaches the court, but she doesn't get justice. But she's not willing to give up. With a child in her hand, she starts running from pillar to post. She goes even up to Delhi, and she does all sorts of desperate things just to make sure that someone helps her in getting back the body of her dead husband. तो दोस्तों, कहानी फिल्म का ये है. इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट स्टोरी टू वॉच, टू अंडरस्टैंड what are the struggles that can happen in real life when you're poor, when you don't have anything to prove that you're married to someone and that someone has died in a foreign country. So when it comes to repatriation of body, how no one will help you and you are on your own. It's a very important story that you have to watch to understand how things function when this happens. With a poor lady living in a village. I think this is based on a true story and it has been very nicely portrayed. अच्छा impact create करेगा. स्टोरी के स्टोरी की बात करूँ तो एक ही प्रॉब्लम था स्टोरी का, एक नहीं एक्चुअली दो प्रॉब्लम था. पहला तो क्लाइमैक्स तक पहुँचते पहुँचते the story becomes a little unreal because Aishwarya Rajesh's character indulges in things that can only be called over the top and extremely unreal. रियल लाइफ में ऐसा कभी नहीं होगा, क्योंकि क्लाइमैक्स के सीन में जो वो करती है डैम के ऊपर खड़ी होके, दैट इज़ वेरी अनरियल. एंड द पर्सन हु कम्स टू मीट हर, हेल्प हर, हु फाइनली हेल्प्स हर इन retrieving the body of her dead husband, all those sequences, the way it has been shown in the film, इट ओनली हैपन्स इन फिल्म. फैंटेसी लैंड, ड्रीम लैंड में होगा, फिल्म के दुनिया में होगा, रियल वर्ल्ड में ऐसा होगा नहीं. सो वो ओवर द टॉप है. इट इज़ कॉल्ड गोइंग ओवर बोर्ड. तो वहाँ पे आई कुडंट डाइजेस्ट ऑल दो सीक्वेंसेस. इट वॉज एक्सट्रीमली अनरियल and not needed at all. But maybe probably the director of this film had a different vision and that was the only way in which the character could attract the attention of the entire nation. But मेरे को काफ़ी अनरियल लगा वो. दूसरा प्रॉब्लम फिल्म का लेंथ. 3 hour long film, almost a 3 hour long film. It has a lot of unnecessary scenes, unnecessary song sequences. The romance बहुत लंबा चला. विजय सेतुपति और ऐश्वर्या राजेश का रोमांस, तो बहुत सारे सीक्वेंसेस को कट कर सकते थे. 2 और 20 मिनट्स का अगर ये फिल्म बनाते तो फिल्म कुड हैव बीन वे बेटर, वे बेटर. बट नेवर द लेस, इट इज़ द एंड, अल्टीमेट एंडिंग में जो ट्विस्ट आप देखोगे ना, फाइनली व्हेन द डेड बॉडी कम्स बैक टू इंडिया, वो एक ट्विस्ट इन द टेल दैट यू गेट टू सी, that will really shock you, that will deeply impact you, and that will really disturb you. And that is why I would suggest it is important to watch this film. Number one, to see Aishwarya's performance. Number two, to know how difficult it can get for a poor lady to get back the dead body of her husband from a foreign land, how no one helps her. And number three, how officials are willing to wash off their responsibilities by indulging in shoddy professionalism. I wouldn't even call professionalism, by indulging in shoddy activities just to wash off their hands from all the responsibilities that rests on their shoulders, and what all nonsense that they can indulge in. It is actually not nonsense, it is actually called चीटिंग और फ्रॉड. तो ये सब समझने के लिए आपको ये फिल्म देखना है, बट लेंथ बहुत ज़्यादा है तो प्रॉबेबली यू मे रन आउट ऑफ पेशेंस, बट परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ ऐश्वर्या विल कीप यू हुक्ड एंड बुक्ड. विजय सेतुपति इज ऑल्सो ऑफ कोर्स वेरी वेरी नाइस, बट obviously is not the leading phase of the film because Aishwarya leads the entire story. She carries the story on her shoulders. Rest of the actors have done brilliantly, acting brilliantly done. Screenplay is quite engaging. A lot of scenes could have been snipped off, and the over the top climax could have been avoided, but still again I would say finally it's a story that needs to be seen to understand the functioning of many individuals in our country, how it can impact poor people. So I'm going with 3 to 3.5 stars for this film. Watch it if you can on Zplex. Now coming to the most important question, 199 rupees का टिकट, इज इट वर्थ इट? एब्सोल्युटली नॉट. यार स्टार्टिंग में रख रहे हो, घर पे बैठा है, पैंडेमिक का टाइम है, जॉब नहीं है, पैसा नहीं है, यार 100 रुपये रखो ना, थोड़ा एंटरटेनमेंट 100 रुपये में तो मिलने दो. 199 खाली पीली का 299, सब खाली पीली रेट्स मत बढ़ाओ. Zplex is doing a disservice to the society at large by pricing this at 199 and 299 and 399, whatever the price that they are deciding for films. Keep it at 100, 120, that is the best rate, not more than 120. So दोस्तों, that's it from me for the moment. It is time for me to say tata.